Jai Bharti, Namaskar. Today we'll have an explanation of the Nirgun and Sagun uh, Swarupas of Paramatma or Brahma. So, in this context, in chapter number 13, Shloka 15, Bhagavan says, सर्वेन्द्रिये गुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रिये विवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृचैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च. God here says that Sarvendriya Guna Bhasha means it appears as a function of all the senses, all the five senses. Sight, hear, taste, touch. But he is Sarvendriya Vivarjitam, means he is devoid of all the senses. Means he appears as a function of all the senses, but yet he is devoid of all the senses. Then says Asakta, means he is unattached. And Sarvabhuta means he is the sustainer of everything. And Nirguna. Nirguna means beyond quality, beyond the three qualities which is Sattva, Raj and Tamas. Yet it appears as the experiencer of the qualities. Gun Bhoktru Cha. So, you may think it's a contradiction, but it's not a contradiction. It's actually a divine paradox. So Brahman, it works through all the senses, yet it is devoid of it. It supports everything, yet remains unattached. It is beyond all qualities, yet appears to be experiencing them. So let's understand. We'll take the Zen story. A Zen story is about there was two monks who were arguing about a flag. One said that the flag is moving. The other said no, the wind is moving. Then the learned saint came and he said that neither the flag nor the wind is moving, but the mind is moving. So that means the senses are not moving, nor the Prakriti is moving, or the gunas are moving, but the interpreter, the Antahkarana, the mind, it is moving. And witness is Brahman or Paramatma. So, means the movement appears in the flag, like the senses activity appears in real. But Brahman is neither in the flag nor in the wind. It is beyond senses. So mind is moving. Now, that means the senses they act, the mind interprets, and the nature drives, but the Brahman is silent, unaffected. It's just a witness. Now let's take the same example in another form about the prism. So normally in physics, in class, they do this particular experiment. They take a prism from one way, the light is there, and then we can see the dispersion of light And we can see Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now we can see the white light. You see the red light which is out of the prism is not white light, but white light is red light. Because without white, because white, that means from white only this has been dispersed, but red is not equal to white. Similarly, green is not equal to white, or blue is not equal to white. But again, white is equal to red, white is equal to yellow or orange. So here you can understand the white light is like Brahman or Paramatma, and the colors are like the jivas. And prism is the Maya or the Prakriti. So again, mapping with the sloka, Sarvendriya Guna Bhasa, it appears as many colors. So Brahman actually appears as jivas or that they say 8.4 million yonis, means different species. Brahman appears like. And then he says Sarvendriya Vivarjita means white light is not limited to one color. Brahman is beyond all forms. Means Brahman may appear as many, but then Brahman is beyond them. Like red is because of white, but white is not because of red. Then it is Nirgunam. White is beyond individual color properties. Yet Gun Bhoktrucha means through the prism, the white light appears as the experiencer. So that means Jiva is the Brahman appearing through body and mind. So here you can say, now you can see the white light is like Nirguna, which has no qualities, no senses, no form, pure consciousness, and it is unchanging witness. But Saguna, it is appears with all qualities, function through senses, its experiencer. So this is the difference between the Sagun and Nirgun. When we take the example either of the flag and the wind or the prism, both ways it can be understood that Paramatma Brahman is both Saguna and Nirgun simultaneously. It's a divine paradox. You can take another example would be the wave theory. The ocean appears as the wave, but wave is not equal to ocean. But yes, ocean is appearing as wave. Ocean is wave, but wave is not ocean. Same prism concept. So this is the wave. Waves are, you can say, the Saguna, and the ocean is as Nirgun. So hope you would have appreciated this. You would liked it. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Bharati.